Hello everyone and welcome to Casperency. Before I started, let me give you a brief introduction about what Casperency is all about and what we are going to see in coming few minutes. What we are doing in Casperency and what is our logic behind making this video. I'll not take much time introducing myself. I am Shahid. I'm a founder of Casperency.org. We started Casperency as a self-trading company. Now we are here at Casperency.org to help you make money. We are not SEBI registered but totally transparent about our services. Totally transparent, that means we mean it. If you go into the channel, if you look into the video section, you will get a whole lot live trading videos. People rarely talks about this. Though first thing first, let me come to the risk disclaimer, because this is something which is very important. Till now, I assume that you are fully aware of the risk of the stock market. You shall alone be responsible for the trade carried out. We are not liable of what you do in any circumstances, and we are not SEBI registered. This video is only and only for educational purpose. Take advice from your independent financial advisor before taking any financial action, because stock market is a high risk, high reward kind of business. Let's jump into the content, what we are going to see in this coming few minutes. First thing first, we'll talk about the risk management, which is a very important topic which people literally skips. We need to focus on this thing first. Risk management is something which is very important in intraday trading, because risk management is going to determine how many days you will be staying in the market. Because if you have a good strategy but you don't have a risk management, you're not going to stay in the market, and this is why the 95% of traders just come and go like anything. Now, as I told you, why risk management is so much important in day trading, and here I will be showing you the tool which I use to calculate my own risk. And why risk management is important? As I told you, that risk management is so much important, so that you can risk a certain amount of capital to make a certain amount of money, and risk management gives you the confidence. And the third topic is stock selection for intraday trading, which is also a very important topic. And then we come to the one of the best trading strategies which I personally use in my day trading. So without wasting time, let's jump into the topic. So if you come to the website, this is the only website which Casperency serves. I don't have anything written down here to tell you about the risk management, but let me try. Risk management is so much important that if you don't focus on this risk management topic, you're not going to make money. This is why the 90% of traders which comes and goes from the market, because they don't have a proper risk management. It doesn't matter if you have a strategy which has the accuracy of like 60 and 40. That means 100 out of 60 trades you win and 100 out of 40 trades you lose. Then also you are not going to make money, because you don't know how much you are going to lose. So risk management is that's why risk management is important, and that's why people lose money in the market. So always calculate risks before taking any trade, and there is a tool for this. This tool is not free, but it is available on my website at a very nominal price, and you can calculate it by yourself also. That is not important to buy a tool and calculate your risk. Risk management is important because it will decide you what action you are going to take in the market. Like if your risk management is not good, that doesn't matter which strategy you are using or which one you are not using. If you don't know how much risks you are taking, that means you are going to lose in the market. Then comes to the stock selection, and one of my best trading. So I hope you are totally understanding, or you are getting what I am trying to say. Let's jump to the risk management calculator which I use. Suppose this is the calculator which I personally use. Don't go for this. This is done by one of my clients. So let's jump to this for a demonstration. Let's see, I want to trade this Tata Motors breakout. So the Tata Motors 15 minutes breakout strategy, everyone is familiar with this breakout strategy, and this is what I personally use, and this is one of the most profitable strategy if you use it with Fibonacci retracement and pivot point. But that is the another topic we are going to cover in the next coming video. So I request you to keep follow, likes, and keep supporting, so that we are going to make more videos that will benefit you. Let's be realistic, and let's see what I'm trying to say. I want to trade this 15 minutes breakout. So what is the high and low of the 15 minutes? Let's assume that high is 70.78 and the low is 68.28. Let's take an example. Like I am having a capital of 25,000 rupees. I want to trade risking my capital just 2%, or basically I trade risking my 5% capital. So 500%, sorry, just give me a minute. 5% of capital. Now this tool gonna ask you whether you are going to short side or you are going to a long side. So we select the short position. Now let's say the entry price, we want to trade if the stock breaks it high. So 70.78 will be our entry price. 70.78. We fill this. What will be our stop loss price? So if we are trading opening range high breakout, like in this case we are trading the high, like if you can see this is the stock of Tata Motors. You can choose any of the stock. So it breaks the first 15 minutes high. So the thing is, we mark these two things, and the high is 70, so our entry price will be 70.76, and 68.82 is our stop loss price, 68.82. So this will tell you about what is the maximum what is the maximum risk we are going to take from our capital. See, the maximum loss we are going to take in this trade is 1250. So we know that 1250 is something we are going to risk on this trade. That gives us a confidence, even this gives us a peace, and this will tell you how much quantity you need to buy. This if you can say this will tell you how much quantity you are going to buy. So you are going to buy 637.75, that is averaging, if you average it, it will be 637.80. That is 638, around 638. So you know how much you are going to risk on this trade. This tool will help you determining what is the risk you are going to take while trading. So keep connected with us, or let me tell you the second topic in this video itself. We'll make some another video. Like two topics we already covered, why risk management is important. Let's see how to calculate risk. I already tell you. Now what is the stock selection for intraday? How you gonna select? The very big thing which comes to our intraday traders mind. Like if you have a good strategy, if you have a good risk management, but if you don't select the stock, then you don't gonna make money. That is simple. If you are not selecting a good stock, that means if you select a stock, you calculated your risk, but the stock doesn't move, then what will happen? Let's see. Let's take an example. And let me clear what I am trying to say. Any stock which doesn't move at all. This stock. Let me brief it. If you are going to select a stock, you have a good strategy, you have a good risk management, but if you are trading a stock which doesn't move at all, or which is volatile, that it will hit your stop loss again and again. So do you really think that this gonna make you the money? No, not at all. So the very important thing which comes in every intraday trader's life is to select a good stock. If you select a good stock, it will give you a 15% 15% return, 30% return, maybe 50% return. If you select a worse stock, it will hit your stop loss millions of times. And this is the biggest problems which came across our trading journey. Even when I was starting, this is the biggest problem which I face. So how to select the stock? Actually, if you talk about my strategy of selecting stocks, it's very simple. As simple as let me show you on the chart, because theory doesn't matter in the stock market, even words don't. So let's see, let's come to this. So this is the way you can select a stock a day before your trading day. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to say. So this is the stock. This is 6th of March 2020. You can cross check it from anywhere. This is in TradingView platform of Zerodha. So if you see, look, on the 6th March 2020, the stock has literally, the stock breaks it high, look, high here, and the stock breaks it low. So the second day the stock gonna move in a single direction. So what you'll have to do, you already know that this day the stock breaks it high as well as low. So the second day is your day. So what you'll have to do is simply marks it high and low. The second step is you just need to come to the calculator if you have the calculator. If you don't have the calculator, you can simply go to the digital products. Let me show you. You can simply come to the automatic risk management calculator, and then you just need to come to buy now for 99 rupees only. You just need to pay and get it if you want. If you don't want, I'm not forcing you. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to help you out. So you calculate your risk. You just place your stop loss. Let me take. So you just need to place your stop loss here, and you just need to place your entry position here. If it breaks its low, you just need to place your entry position right below the low and just sleep. Don't look into the market, because whenever you look into the market, it will create panic in you. Sometimes you feel like you are exiting here, maybe the stock reverses and the panic hits you. You might be feeling like exiting here. So leave it till 3, and let's see what is the close price of the 3. So 105 is the closing price of the 3 p.m. So you gonna exit it right at the 3 p.m. The target is 3 p.m. Target is 3 p.m. etc. And do let me know if you want this video in Hindi, so that I am comfortable making this in Hindi. But what I feel is like I want to promote this channel everywhere, and I want it to make easier for people to understand it. And most of us is nowadays speaking English, so. And for you, if you come to the about section, you will see my contact number. This is actually not a contact number. You don't need to call me at all, because I don't pick calls. We have a lot of calls coming, so you can WhatsApp me whenever I get time. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any problem, just do let me know. If you like this video, do like it. If you don't like it, like this one, just comment me why you don't like it, because maybe I'll improve. I'll give you something else. And this is the one example. Let me show you the another one. So if I come to the another one, like in the stock market, none of the strategies working properly. Like if you are here to find something which work 100 times, like 100% of the time, that is not possible. Stop finding out these kind of strategies, because they don't exist. You will have a losing days. You lose. Even my strategies, it has some, it has some drop down. You may be facing some losing days also. So there is no strategy which will give you 100% of return. If these kind of strategies exist, I must be a millionaire, not here to make video on this on YouTube, or I'll be doing something else. I'll be sitting in Canada or somewhere. Let's come to the next example of G. I am also planning to trade it tomorrow, or you can say today, because it's already Monday. So let's see what happened. Look at this. Look at the 17th of March. Here it broke its highs and lows. Okay. If I'm making it bigger for you, look, on 17th of the March, the first 9:15 candle, the 9:30 will break its high, and the 10 a.m. candle breaks its low. So you know that the next day it's gonna be a fucking awesome day. So you will have to come here, just mark the first 15 minutes candle. Look, you entered it 145.27. The stock breaks it high and gives you a return at 3 a.m. Look here at the closing price. If you focus on this closing price, look, it's 169.49. So you almost may make like 30 points on this stock, risking, I think, how much you are risking? High is 145, 135, 10 rupees you are risking and making approx 30 rupees. So this is the beauty of this strategy. Because I have less time, let me show you one more stock, so that you may be trading with some confidence. This is the stock of ITC. Let's see. ITC breaks it high, ITC breaks it low on the day of 9:15, on the day of 18th March. Look, it breaks it high, it breaks it low. You know the next day is yours. You mark the high and low of the candle and let it go. Look, the stock breaks it high and ran all the way up. Even though in this day market is going down, but the ITC was going up alone. So keep connected with me so that I can make some more videos. Do like, share and subscribe, so that that will give me some motivation to make some new videos. If you don't like this video, do let me know why you don't like, because everyone has their own mistakes. Everyone do mistakes. We all are human beings, we do mistakes. So anything, if anything comes in your mind, just do let me know. If you want to see the live trades, go to the videos playlist section. You will see lots of live trading sections or live trading videos. And if you want some more strategies like this, I am the one. My trading style is something like, I just determine my risk and let the market determine my profit. So this is the way I trade. I personally trade. And just gives a thumbs up if you like it, and keep connected. Do write me. I'll be more than happy to listen from you guys. And thank you so much for giving your time. I hope you must be satisfied with my strategy. And just remember one thing, none of the strategies is going to give you 100% return. Every strategy has a drawback. So you need to determine your risk before going into any trade. So thank you so much once again for watching. Keep connected with Casperency and make a family of traders. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Subscribe so that you will get the notification whenever our next video comes. And do let me know if you guys need this video in Hindi also. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll post live trading session on tomorrow. And be safe. Stay at your home, because nowadays coronavirus is spreading. Learn new things. Keep connected to family. Spend some time with family. Find some time to pray your God, and pray for all of us. We all are going through a pandemic situation, like coronavirus is spreading. So I request you guys to stay at home until you have a very urgent situation to go out from your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all the best and happy trading.